Yo, what is going on, y'all? It is Brent here, and welcome back to another video. Before I say anything, go ahead and click subscribe and like this video because it's my first one. Today is going to be my first freaking challenge video besides like the 10,000. I just got out of the shower, sorry. Besides the 10,000 calorie challenges that I've done or whatever, this is my first real challenge. I posted on my Instagram about a week and a half ago or so what challenges I should do. It was at a 12,000 calorie, 100 chicken nuggets in 10 minutes. Something else, and then 24 hours of only eating one thing. The chicken nuggets won, 100 chicken nuggets in 10 minutes challenge. So I just got back from the gym. I took a quick shower. I have an order placed. I'm supposed to be there 4 minutes ago. And yeah, sorry, this is kind of rushed, but that's what's going on. My first challenge video, 100 chicken nuggets in 10 minutes. I'm going to see how many I can eat. My goal is 80, at least, but who knows? I look fucking stupid. I'm gonna toss a hat on, but I'm gonna go pick those up real quick and I'll see you over at the table. Alright, you guys, it is currently, if it focuses in, it is 2:04 p.m. I'm about to start this. I have some of my sauces open. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't nervous for some reason, but I am. Oh gosh. The timer is at 10 minutes and around 15 seconds right now. Alrighty. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1, go.
They're pretty good. I'm already starting to sweat. I have no clue what number I'm at right now. I'm not gonna lie. I've never had my jaw cramp, but it's freaking happening right now. Oh my god. Shit. Holy shit. I didn't practice my jaw.
Right?
It's so slow.
Probably would make sense to. Should have exercised it. I wouldn't have thought it.
Yeah, I didn't. Holy crap.
Yeah.
Oh. I don't even know if I'm at 50. This is sad. I wanted 80.
Looks like I have to buy a watermelon.
Oh, God.
Oh boy. Alright, 2 minutes, 14 seconds. ahead, buddy. You're under the 2-minute mark.
I am chicken nugget out. I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Right. Oh. Whew. Giving it your best try. Got 1 minute, 10 seconds.
Ugh.
Please don't choke. Under a minute.
Oh my god.
And 32 seconds. You made quite a dent.
This is hard.
Yeah. Because you've got to really chew them up. I mean, it's not like a hot dog like some people just swallow it. Ooh. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5. That's time.
Well, that was depressing. Way harder than I anticipated. Oh my god. Like 3 minutes in, I was like getting some lockjaw shit. I was really slowing down. My stomach is so full. I thought maybe being fasted and doing a workout would have helped. I think I should have drank a lot more water yesterday to expand my stomach. Ooh. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty disappointed with the outcome. Haven't counted yet, but I'm pretty disappointed. I definitely wanted more. Alright, I want to say I'll never do this again, but I really, really want to redeem myself. Let's count really quick. Oh, there's so many. 2, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 26, 44 left.
Maybe you should have made it a 50 nugget challenge.
How many is that? Why am I down? 66?
Yeah.
Only 66. I wanted 80. It's weird right now. I feel like I could just eat more. Maybe because I gave myself a second.
You burped.
And I burped. Only 66? Son of a bitch. I'm gonna have to do this again sometime. I have so many sauces. Some I opened I didn't even use. Shit. 66 chicken nugs. And my stomach feels it. Damn. Well, on the bright side, my mom gets to eat. If my brother wants some, he gets to eat. Till it's 2:17. I am disgusting. I'm starting to sweat, actually. That was... yeah, looking at these, I don't think I could eat them anymore. Ugh, that taste... Oh, I've had enough pink goo for the year, probably, with those 66 chicken nuggets. Comment down below how disappointed you are, because I am too, but leave it a thumbs up. Give me a like. Because I tried my hardest, y'all. I almost threw up at one point.
It's the first time you ever do this.
First time I ever did this. I've never really done like a speed food challenge, you know. I could put it down, but... Ooh. Holy shit. It's coming up a little, too. I'm disappointed. My first food challenge, it's alright. I'll get better. I'll expand my stomach. And, geez, I don't even know how I'm going to edit this video. It's going to be like 5 minutes long, isn't it? Well, yeah, guys, go ahead and drop a like if you enjoyed this and you want to see more food challenges like this. Leave a comment what you want to see, what you want me to change up about the videos, anything. Like, literally anything. Give me any feedback. I'll be fine. Subscribe if you're new. Subscribe if you're here watching it. Subscribe if you freaking haven't. I would love for you guys to just hit that sub button. It takes 3 seconds, really. Literally 3 seconds, 2 seconds maybe. And, yeah, in a little bit, I'm going to go hit the hot and cold tub, and I'll probably just throw up. But, yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next one, so peace out. Fucking hell. That's disgusting. Wow. Oh.
Yeah.
I'm disappointed. Actually, not the end of the video. Who would have thought, haha, because I'm a dummy, we're putting the chicken nuggets away. But I wanted to tell you guys the calories. So for 66 chicken freaking nuggets, that is 2,772 calories. It is also 152 grams of protein, 165 grams of carbs, and 165 grams of fat. Holy shit. That is insane. I still wish I would have got more, but damn. Alright guys, yeah, just gonna toss it at the end of the video. Love you. Peace out.